Alright, sitting here, Corey, the victim of the event that happened earlier. Y'all seen it. So, tell us what happened, man. What's the story behind this?
Well, while Marcus and Landon were playing Call of Duty, I was taking a nap, minding my own motherfucking business. And next thing I know, I'm slapped across the face with a size 14 flip-flop. And I'm like, who the fuck are you?
How did this incident occur?
Well, you know, we was sitting at the crib playing Call of Duty, me and Landon, as you can see. And, Corey fell asleep, and I was like, hey, bruh, we should just let him sleep. Like, for real.
Bullshit.
We finna get this nigga Corey, bruh.
And eventually he woke up with a surprised look on his face as if something happened to him. And I don't know what happened, but this nigga was really surprised. You can see it on the video. Just look at his face. Just pay attention to the eyes, the look of betrayal and surprised, anger, hatred, all in.
Father God, I've been betrayed.